How to avoid late return charges with dollar car rental early or late rules. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without me delay. Let's jump right in. For early or late return, make sure in most cases return less than 29 minutes. Late not will be charged extra hours. Return 30 minutes late or later will be charged extra. A late return of 1 hour 30 minutes or more will usually result in charge of another day. And also, returning before your exact time, simply avoid that. Calling ahead if you will be late can also be considered, and you can also extend your rental online via your app if you are gonna be late. And this is how to avoid late return fees in dollar car rental. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.